Is your laptop or computer giving you the blue screen of death and you're frustrated on how to fix it? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to fix it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to download Blue Screen View. I'm going to have the link in the description down below. When your computer blue screens, it creates a dump file and it puts that dump file in a folder called mini dump, which is in your C drive and it's in Windows. So I'm going to show you. So it's C drive, Windows, and it is right here, the mini dump folder. So of course you can right click and open with Notepad. And of course you can't really read it. It's gibberish. So that's why you need the blue screen view to show it in a readable format. But sometimes Windows will not enable the dump file creation. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. To enable it, or to check to see if it's enabled, you right click Start menu, go to System. And then from System, you go to Advanced System Settings. Here where it says Startup Recovery, you're going to click on Settings. So here is where you set it to enable the dump file under System Failure. Here, write an event to the system log, which it writes it in an event viewer, and then automatically restart. So if it blue screens, it'll automatically restart the operating system. You're going to select small memory dump, and then here's the path where you want the dump file to go. And this is where to disable it. Why would you want to disable it? You don't, because if you disable it, then how would you know how to fix it, right? Now let's open Blue Screen View and fix your issue. So now that you have your Blue Screen View software open, right here, the dump file, .dump, it's going to put in all the dump files here. So this is, I only got one dump file. So here you can see the bug check string, critical underscore process underscore died. So here, this is telling me that a process in my task manager quit in task or anything that created my device to blue screen. Okay, so all of this, the parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, don't worry about it. Don't sweat over it. Bug check string, this is where you want to start at. Okay, so another thing you want to do is you want to go to Options, Lower Pane Mode, and enable Blue Screen and XP style. So here, this is the old school when you had Windows XP. This is what the layout when it blue screened, you see this. So here you'll see the stop error. This is really important as well. Now, if it's a driver issue or anything else, you'll have under here, it'll say like, say if it's an audio driver, it'll say audio.sys for system file. Then you'll know, hey, it's an audio driver. Let's go update the driver or uninstall the driver, or the audio driver or the audio device is not working, or it's dead. It's not working anymore. I need to replace the hardware. So in this case, the critical underscore process underscore died. It's a process in Task Manager that pretty much ended that you need for the operating system to work properly. And that, that's hard to troubleshoot, but just think, what is the last software that wasn't working properly before the blue screen happened? I had a computer that had a really old antivirus, AVG free edition, really old AVG. It was running slow and it blue screened, and this came up, critical underscore process underscore died, and that was the factor. It was AVG free edition. So what I did is I went to safe mode, uninstalled AVG free edition, and it solved the whole issue. Let's go back to the stop errors. So the stop errors is really important too. Let's go to a website and I'm going to show you a list of stop errors. Okay, so here's the website that has a list of all the stop errors. It's aumha.org. I'll have the link for this website in the description as well. So here's the list of stop errors and what it is, and it will have the bug string as well, and the MSDN article where you can read up on it as well. So the most common blue screen error and a stop error is x00050, which is a page underscore fault underscore in non-page area, and that is RAM failure. Memory, one of the RAM sticks in your computer or laptop is dead and you need to replace it. So this, like I said, this is the most common blue screen of death that you're going to come across. Now, if you have RAM issues, you can test the memory. Windows has a built-in memory test where it scans your memory and it'll let you know if you have a bad stick of RAM. So I'm going to show you that. Okay, you're going to go to your search and type in memory, and it's going to be the Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on it, and we're going to restart now and check for problems. Okay, so here is the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. It's going to run 2 passes, and if it detects any errors on your RAM, it will let you know in the status. Okay, there's another way to check for blue screen errors, which is in your event viewer. So let's open Event Viewer, and it's going to be under Windows Logs and System. Okay, so we're going to scroll down, and it's going to be some errors here. Right here, it'll be the computer has rebooted from a bug check, and here's the bug check. It tells you where the dump was saved. Here is a friendly view of it, which is not really friendly. The event viewer is good, but it'll tell you the bug check, but it won't tell you the bug string on what happened. So that's why blue screen view is really good to check your dump files. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up on the video, and for more Windows 11 tips, tricks, and strategy guys, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.